Hi and welcome to Property Reviews by indiaproperty.com. Today we are going to explore SS Flats, an abode of happiness and peace. The project is located very close to the Valasaravakam bus depot. It comprises of 2 and 3 BHK apartments ranging between 1035 to 1380 square feet. The project is 13 kilometers drive to Chennai International Airport and 15 kilometers drive to Chennai Central Railway Station. Educational institutions close to this project are Ponvadyashram School, Good Shepherd Matriculation School and St. John's Matriculation School. Some of the healthcare facilities around this area are Rakshit Hospital, JK Hospital and Janani Hospital. Anjaneya Temple, Vinayaka Temple and Vishwarupa Sai Baba Temple are very close to this project. And for entertainment, we have Gopalakrishna Theatre, Balaji Theatre, Fame Theatre, Mega Mart and other big shopping complexes around this project. I am entering the 2 BHK apartment of this project, which is 1035 square feet. The living area is sized at 20 by 11.1.5 feet. And the dining area is sized at 11 by 11.3 feet. The living and dining area is not separate. These windows here give enough ventilation for this room. And a separate wash area is provided in the dining room. As I'm entering the kitchen, a common toilet and bath attached is provided next to the dining and the kitchen. This is the kitchen of this 2 BHK, which is sized at 9 by 6 feet. The kitchen comes with a granite countertop and a stainless steel sink. Enough provision for storage has been provided, but not enough light comes into this kitchen. Now let's move on to the first bedroom. This is the first bedroom of this apartment. This room is sized at 11.6 by 9 feet. There is no toilet and bath attached to this room. Provision for storage has been provided only in the form of a loft, and a queen-size cot can fit in this room snugly. There is abundant light and breeze coming from the windows, and a balcony is attached to this room. This is the balcony attached to the first bedroom. This balcony is sized at 10 by 3.3 feet. I'm right now entering the master bedroom of this 2 BHK apartment. This bedroom is sized at 12.7.5 by 9 feet. There is a toilet and bath attached to this room. Provision for storage is provided in the form of a loft, and a queen-size cot can fit in this room comfortably, and a balcony is provided for this bedroom. The walls are finished with putty, primer and 2 coats of cement paint. To talk about the flooring, the living room, the dining room, the bedrooms and the kitchen are fit with 2 by 2 vitrified tiles. The bathrooms are fit with anti-skid ceramic tiles and dado tiles on the wall up to 7 feet. And in the kitchen, dado tiles up to 4 feet on the walls. Furnishing is generally not done by the builders, but it can be done based on request, which adds an additional cost. The project offers covered car park, which is payable, 24 hours board and corporation water supply, and 3-phase connection. The project is priced at 7,250 per square feet. The other projects around this area are Sesha Enclave, Jade Apartments, and Shyamalas. Hope this review gave you a clear idea about SS Flats. Whether looking for residence, farmhouse, commercial space, investment property, land or retirement community, India Property has it all.